Hello business people and welcome. In today's video, we'll take a look at 8 investing tips for beginners. If you are thinking about getting into investment as a beginner, you are probably unsure of how to start, what and where you should be investing in. The world of investment can be very intimidating for the first timer. In fact, it can often be confusing for those who are experienced. The following are 8 investing tips that will help you get started in the world of investment. With that said, let's dive right in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button. Number 1. Set investment goals. Now, it is time to decide what you want to get out of investing. Obviously, your ultimate goal is to make money, but everyone's needs are different. Things to consider include income, capital appreciation, and safety of capital. Also, consider your age, your personal circumstances, and your financial position. Number 2. Know your risk tolerance. You should only take as much investment risk as your investment goal requires and not bite more than you can chew. Just because you can afford to take more risk with your investments doesn't mean you should. Your level of risk is determined by your allocation to stocks and bonds. The more stocks you have equals higher risk. The allocation you choose is similar to how fast you choose to drive your car. Number 3. Begin with broad-based investments. With so many information out there, it's easy to get hung up on choosing the right investment. Fortunately, broad-based mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, which pool the money of many investors to purchase a variety of securities, give you a simple way to begin. Start by deciding on the mix of cash, bonds and stock you want, then fill in the details with funds that match your desired allocation. Number 4. Focus on your savings percentage. It's easy to doubt your investment decisions when your portfolio declines, but stock market declines are natural. Instead of focusing on your portfolio's performance, focus on your savings percentage. For long-term investors, the biggest factors for success are staying invested and saving enough. You can't control how your investments perform, but you can control how much you save. By continually focusing on maintaining or increasing the savings rate, beginners will be positioned for success. Number 5. Use goals to determine your time horizon. Time horizon simply means how long you have before you plan to use the money you're investing. Why and what you're investing for will go a long way in determining your time horizon. This might be the most important factor on how much risk you can take. The longer your time horizon, the more risk you can afford to take. If your time horizon is 10 years or longer, you can lean more heavily towards stocks. If it's between 5 and 10 years, it means you should have a solid mix of stock and bonds. If it is less than 5 years, you shouldn't have any stock exposure. And if it's within 2 years, you should have only cash and cash alternatives like certificates of deposit. Number 6. Automate your investment plans. This means you should automate your savings deposits, retirement contributions, even your monthly investments. The less you have to do, the less overwhelming it will be. And the more likely you are to stick with your plans. Number 7. Seek the help of a financial advisor. You're a beginner and not an expert, don't be afraid to ask for help when things go south. A financial advisor can help navigate any uncertainty you have. Also remember to vet any advisor you want to deal with. Most importantly, ask about their certifications at least. Look for certified financial planners and chartered financial analysts because they've had years of training, expertise and education. Number 8. Keep informed. It is a good idea to always study the markets. Read up on the things you have invested in and look for resources that keep up with market trends as well as the global economy. That's all for this video. But there are many more videos coming up. And I'd love to have you join me for the next one. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified when the next one comes out. That's all for now, but we'll see you guys again next time. Until then, stay focused and have a great week.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more quality videos.